How to set up Thrustmaster T300 on PlayStation 5. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to quickly set up the Thrustmaster T300 racing wheel on your PlayStation 5. Let's get you racing in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Connect the wheel and pedals. Make sure the wheel is attached to the base and plug the pedals into the base using the cable provided. Step 2. Plug into the PlayStation 5. Take the USB cable from the base and plug it directly into a front USB port on the PlayStation 5. Step 3. Turn on the console. Now turn on your PS5. The wheel will automatically calibrate by spinning left and right. Step 4. Make sure the mode switch is set correctly. Check the switch on the base and make sure it's set to PS4 mode. That's the correct setting for the wheel to work on PS5. Step 5. Check if it's working. Go to Settings, Accessories, Controllers, and then your PS5 should recognize the T300 automatically. Step 6. Adjust in-game settings. Open your racing game and go to Controller Settings to map your controls and adjust force feedback as needed. And that's it. That was the quick tutorial. That was the quick and easy setup for the Thrustmaster T300 on a PS5. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.